Hey! All you beautiful people! Are we all beautiful people? Are we proud, inclusive, and human? Are we one? Are we human? Above us all? मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतालू इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। नेस मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतालू इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। One, 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 one. I'm Hindustani. मेरी जिंदगी हिंदुस्तानी. You are who you are. That's your identity. Our clothes might be English, our shoes may be Japanese, our surroundings may change with every land and breeze, but inside our hearts is where we will be. Our identity lives on and always stays free. No hate in this, no lines to draw, respect for all, that's what we're for. Different lives, different ways, but we stand together in this place. Shoes from Japan, shoes from Japan, clothes from the West, clothes from the West, all around the world, but my heart stays the same, heart stays the same. Dil hai Hindustani, Hindustani, dil hai Hindustani, Hindustani, dil hai Hindustani, Hindustani, dil hai Hindustani. Oh! Mandir, masjid, gurudwara, church, different prayers but the same soul search. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh aside, Jewish voices standing side by